oh my, oh my, oh my God, 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 oh my, oh my, oh my God. Hey, it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and I have another Kimmy Quickie for y'all. Every now and again, I like to get a case for a phone, and I haven't bought a lot of cases for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I saw this case, I was like, oh, it's a little different. Let's see what this is about. This company is called Chief Cases. They're located in Tennessee. They said 2-day shipping. I think it might have took 3 for mine, but not a big deal. FYI, this is not a sponsored video. Let me show you what I got. Reading is fundamental. Down here at the bottom it says off-white. I ordered the off-white case, but I will show you a picture of what I thought I was getting versus what this is. Let's move on. The website says that this is not supposed to drain your battery too much, even though it plugs directly into the phone. We shall test that theory out. And yes, we're running iOS 14 beta, so not too much of a battery drain on this phone. So if it starts draining with this case, I'm gonna be pretty ticked. I love light up cases. See if I can turn the light off for y'all. So basically this is supposed to go by sound, and it was lighting up a second ago and I wasn't playing any music, but I'll play some Tana beats. Shout out to Tana So Lit. I will say, after, you know, kind of just looking around this case, that, you know, if you're in a sensitive environment, I don't know how secure that would be with the piece coming out the bottom like that. And it really is sensitive to sound. It works when you get a phone call, of course, because your phone rings. But I just got off of a phone call, and the whole time I was talking, this was lighting up because I guess it could hear my voice. So what I just did was I just put my fingernail in there and pulled it out. So there was no, you know, lighting up while I was on the phone. Didn't want my phone really getting hot. But yeah, I mean, it's a really cute case. This company has some other cases. They have Spider-Man. This is what they consider the off-white, even though it's mostly blue. This has been a Kimmy Quickie. I will put links in the description to this product. And like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this item myself, and I'll try to give you an update on it in a few months. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Holla!